Welcome everybody. We're excited that you're here. We're here to do the play called Beach Day based on the book by Patricia Locken that Mrs. Fairweather is going to be holding up for us. The cast of the play is the narrator is going to be played by Zachary. Sam is played by William. Pam is played by me. Will is played by Nate. And Jill is played by Lydia. We've been working on this play for over a month now. They're really, really good at it. We've been working on our reading fluency and sounding out words, and we're really excited to show you. You guys ready?
Hot, said Sam.
Sunny,
said Pam. Said well. Swim, said Jill.
beach,
said Sam, Will, and Jill. Swimsuit, said Sam.
sun hats,
said Pam. Said Will, sunglasses, said Jill.
we're off.
Said Sam, Will, and Jill. Look, said Sam.
A park,
Said Pam. With swings. Said Will, and slides. Said Jill.
let's play.
Said Sam, Will, and Jill. To the beach, said Sam.
Which way?
Said Pam. Said Will. Right. Said Jill.
Lost.
Said Sam, Will, and Jill.
They pedaled up.
They pedaled down.
They looked for beach signs all around.
They pedaled under.
They pedaled over.
They pedaled in a field of clover.
Picnic!
Said Sam, Will, and Jill. Sandwich. Said Sam.
Pasta.
Said Pam. Pickles. Said Will.
Burr.
Said Jill.
Nap time.
Said Sam, Will, and Jill.
They slept past 1.
They slept past 2.
They slept past 3.
They slept past 4. Let's go! Said Sam.
But where?
Said Pam. Over there. Said Will. That's Hill. Said Jill.
Push!
Said Sam, Will, and Jill. Sand. Said Sam.
Water.
Said Pam. Wait. Said Will. Goals. Said Jill.
Beach!
Said Sam, Will, and Jill. No wood. Said Sam.
No snack bar.
Said Pam. No chairs. Said Will. No people. Said Jill.
No sun.
Cried Sam, Will, and Jill.
Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill looked up.
Then Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill smiled, and they swam by the light of the moon.
The end.